Ang eskwelahan natin ay member of the community. Of course, tutulong tayo sa mga opisyales ng DepEd at other training institutions and or uh, lugar ng mga paaralan. Okay. Ginagawa naman natin yon at dire-diretso. Kanya nga lang, we need to have some programs and activities that is more proactive and kaukulan na ma-deny yung karahasan and or mga activities doon or incident na napupunta sa panganib ang kalagayan ng ating mga estudyante or school. Not necessarily magbigay tayo ng police desk. There are 42,000, if I'm not mistaken, 42,000 schools. Kung maglalagay tayo ng police card dyan, it's not that efficient. We make some efficient, we calibrate our deployment. That's why magkakaroon tayo ng coordination. Paigtingin natin yung coordination. Ang idea there is efficient yung pagbigay natin ng police assistance and or maintaining peace and order.